Two of the things that can go wrong with a wire feed on a MIG welder are your switch inside here, obviously any damage to the tips and that to stop the wire moving. Obviously your liner inside there can go. You get replacement guns, you get them cheap for China actually, I've never tried one but it's supposed to be good. Then obviously you got your switch connection here. And that was what was wrong with this one. That switch had been undone and not plugged back together. You couldn't get the MIG welder working again, so that was the problem on this one. Then you got your motors. You can test them with a 12-volt battery, see if they're working. Then you got your board. Your board signals the motor to drive, so it could be a PCB board. Then you got your gears inside of here, which is your wire feed mechanism. Sometimes got plastic gears inside them, especially these DIY ones, hobbyist machines. Then another problem we'll come across is this wheel. It's got two notches on. Either the teeth go blunt in the notches so it won't pull the wire, or it's the wrong way around. I think 0.8 this side and 0.6 that side, so could be a problem. Also, when you set the tension on these, you want to set them just enough so that it drives the wire, but if it gets caught up in the gun, it doesn't twist the wire out of shape or snap the wire. I see that a lot. What happens is the liner starts going, or there's a problem somewhere, and they keep tightening this down. It's putting extra pressure on the motor and the drive system, so just enough tension to drive it, and if you touch it with your finger it stops and it spins. That's all you want. Same with this, you just want just enough tension just to stop it from unravelling. Then you got keeping it clean. If you keep it clean in here, if it gets any dust inside there, that'll slow it down. And also, one of the main problems I see is this rusty wire. People buy a big roll of it thinking it'll last them a lifetime, but after a couple of years it goes rusty and it won't go through the wire smooth, so they keep tightening this down. It gets worse and worse, more rusty, until something breaks. So if you're only using them now and again, just get a kilo of brand new wire and chuck it away when you're finished. Don't buy a big roll if you're not going to use it regular, otherwise it'll go rusty and it'll get caught up in the gun, ruin the liner. And that is about it.